This little Christmas tree motif you can use in any project. You can decorate, you can make accessories. So let's make this. So I have here green, and it starts with magic ring, now chain 3, 1 2 3, now 14 double crochet, 14, 1 2 So this is my 14 and tighten, slip stitch into the top of chain 3 here, chain 1 and single crochet into that same stitch, single crochet into the next, and into this next let's make half double crochet, double crochet into that same, and now into this next let's make double crochet, treble into that same stitch, and chain 2. Now onto that same stitch let's make treble, and double crochet into that same stitch. Now into the next let's make double crochet and half double crochet, double crochet, and 3 single crochet. So single crochet, single crochet, now let's make half double crochet, half double crochet, double crochet into the same stitch, chain 2, double crochet into that same stitch, half double crochet into that same stitch, and 4 single crochet, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Now into the next let's make half double crochet, double crochet into that same stitch, chain 2, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet to the next. Now let's slip stitch. Now let's make the stem or the trunk. Now for the trunk, I will use gray and facing like this. I will connect my gray yarn in. This is our first single crochet and the second, so I will put here, I will attach here at the second single crochet. And single crochet to the next, another single crochet, and chain 1, turn, single crochet, another single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, single crochet. You can leave it like this, or you want to make chain 1 to secure. So now let's cut this off. So you just hide your tails. Yeah, they're so cute. Thank you for watching. See you for more. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in